y'all, it's Katrina with Pate-Meadows out on the porch. And this is not only my favorite place in the house, but it really is our family's favorite place to be. But we all have our little place that we sit. We all have our own little chairs, our own little place. So I ran across this cute little cat swing on Pinterest. And it was a little different. It had round cushions and things, and I just thought I could use some of our materials and make a really cute one out of things that are not usually meant for, I guess, a cat swing. I don't know. It's just different materials that we use in the profession. One is this jute webbing. It's used in the bottom of chairs and sofas, and it's usually never seen, but it's really cute, and they're making it in a lot of different colors now. So I used the red to go with this beautiful fabric that was so graciously supplied by Greenhouse Fabrics. And then I made little tabs on the sides and put a buttonhole in it for it to slide through, and we used our covered buttons. And Yoda is always playing with the tassels on my pillows, so I thought I would make him some tassels using our little wooden knobs. Y'all have seen me use these before. I painted them black, just with flat black spray paint, and I used this jute twine to make the tassels. And you could use just a store-bought pillow and make little tabs and sew on it. As long as it's got a zipper in it, you want to be able to wash it. Although cats like to put their scent from their paws and their face, they all have like these scent glands, and they like to put it all over their place to mark it. So if you wash it, it gets rid of his scent. But as you can see in the video, he's already rubbing his face all on the straps and everything, and he just loves it. So now we all have our place to sit when we're out on the porch. So if you want to make your pet swing, go to patemeadows.com for all the supplies and notions, and we'll have the instructions under the tips and techniques.